So hey guys, Aalon here, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'm going to talk about some Apple Watch tips and tricks. So if you own an Apple Watch, or if you want an Apple Watch, or if you like an Apple Watch, do subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So starting off with notifications, people think that you can access notifications only from the home screen. But actually if you open an app, if you hold on the bottom of the screen and swipe up, you'll get a control center. And if you hold the top of the screen and swipe down, you'll get a notification center. If you open an app, let's say the activity app, and if you double tap on the ground, it will take you to the previous app which you opened on your Apple Watch. Did you know your Apple Watch can play sound in every single hour? Suppose it's 4, it will play a sound. It's 3, it will play a sound. It's 5, it will play a sound. It's 6, it will play a sound. So the sound is very minimal and decent, like quiet. So you can just get bells or birds. I'll show you how to enable it. You can just go to your settings, accessibility and Chimes, and there you can choose whether you want it hourly, in every 30 minutes, in every 15 minutes. You can choose wherever you want, however you want, whatever is a convenience for you. You can just select that. Want to type fast on your Apple Watch? Well, there are a bunch of ways you can do that. I personally use Scribble, and you can just scribble and write down anything and send a message. If you just scribble something using the digital crown, you can finish out the word you were scribbling. So next is power reserve mode. So previously you can put your Apple Watch in power reserve mode just by holding down the power button, but now it is moved on to settings. So just go to your settings, tap on battery, and there you will find the power reserve mode. Just tap on that and done. So this is very handy if you're going out on a vacation or something and if you forgot to carry your Apple Watch charger, but still you want to just use it as a normal watch. You can just press and hold it and you can just use it as a, so it will give a battery life around of half a week or 1 week if you just slightly use it and all. It's good to go. So Apple has recently added a new feature in the activity app, so you can change the goal. Suppose if you want to change the goal, if I go to the activity app and if you go to change goals, you can just tap on change goal. You can change your move goal, you can change your exercise goal, and you can change your stand goal. So this is a pretty new feature. If you don't want to do a workout, if you're very lazy, don't skip it like me. Actually mine is very low, and that is a very new awesome feature. You can just use your Apple Watch and your phone. You can just drop your Apple Watch and can fasten it. No, you can just put your Apple Watch, you can just fasten your Apple Watch to the back of your phone and you can use it as a viewfinder. So as you can see, I can just shoot a small vlog or something with this, and literally it's a viewfinder. So it's awesome for vlogging, and if you like to click pictures like me, it's good. You can receive a notification when your iPhone reaches 100% on your Apple Watch. So how to do it? It is by using Siri shortcut. Tap on plus icon and create a new personal automation. Now scroll down and tap on battery level. Now make it 100% and tap on next. Now select a new action and type show notification. So add it and change the text to whatever you want and tap on next and turn off ask before running, and done. You all know that you can just swipe up a control center and ping iPhone. But did you know if you hold the ping button, it will actually blink the flashlight, so you can find it more easily. And if you want your watch faces to change automatically, I made a video on that, so you can just check out that video. After this video, it will be some in the I button. It will be in the I button here. Click on it once this video is over, okay? And don't worry, the video will be down in the description. You can just go and click on that later after watching this video. Give me watch time. And if you want to know how to automatically change your Apple Watch faces, you can just click the right video. And if you want to know how to unlock your iPhone with a mask and your Apple Watch, just click the left video. So if you learned something new, just subscribe to the channel. They really mean a lot. Every subscriber I get really does count. So that being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace.